My name is Antonio Tajani. I am the new president of the European Parliament. I have a daughter, I have a son. And for me, it's very important to speak with you and to have this direct contact with the student. For me, it's more important to speak with you than to speak with the most important politicians in Europe. Not because I am against the politicians, but I think my engagement is in favor of the citizens. You are European citizens, but you are also the future of the European Union. Europe is also opportunity. It's not only rules for the small problems. We need to change, I totally agree with people against Europe for 2 or 3 most important points. But to kill Europe is a mistake. And I think to have good young ambassador explaining the success of the European Union is important. But then it's important also to work for new jobs. Unemployment is the most important point. To be, for example, small entrepreneur is a good solution because there are also here in this room young people with ideas. To be entrepreneur is a good idea. And then to be entrepreneur is also to work for the others. To be entrepreneur is also, for a young entrepreneur, it's possible also to help friends to start with 2, 3, or 4 friends. We need to work in this direction. We are living a very difficult moment because we need more European leaders. There are a lot of national leaders, but we need more European leaders with a vision of the future, with a vision of the situation. Europe, of course, is not only, as I said, banks, euro, Schengen. Europe is our identity. But we need to strengthen this identity through political actions. We need to change. We need to decide on the most important problem. We need more unity. There is a competition with China on trade policy. There is a dumping action against our companies. But we need to react, but all together if we want to strengthen our companies. On the minorities, the European Union is a guarantee for the minorities. I am against internal borders. We need to strengthen external borders. As I said, for Italian minority here, for Slovenian minority in Italy, but also for German minority in Italy, everywhere. This minority are an opportunity for these states because they are ready as new bridge for a better cooperation inside the European Union. Today the problem is not the nationalism. Today the problem is Europe to decide to change, to look at the past is a big mistake. In Europe, the nationalism killed a lot of people, killed Europe. We need to respect the human right. We need to respect the right to speak in mother tongue. And for me, it's very important to strengthen the right of the minorities.